a maintenance video right now. I'm on my way to my hair appointment. I'm about to get my wig installed. I look crazy right now, but I'm about to, you guys are going to see the process. And right now I'm actually about to stop at the car wash before I go and get my hair done because bird poop all over my car. I cannot be driving in no shitty car. So yeah. Yeah guys, I know some of you guys still haven't subscribed. Go ahead and do that right now. Click the thumbs up button and click the bell so you guys can hear my voice again. Go and watch the last videos as well. Right now we're going back to Akeelia, the same one who did my hair for my birthday. Tomorrow is Madison's birthday and we're going out of town. We're going to New York for brunch and then we're coming back going to Sundays. You guys already know Sundays because we'll go there all the time. But you guys stay tuned. This is about to be a fun video. I won't disappoint you guys. I will never disappoint you guys. Never ever disappoint you guys. Yo, look on the line for the car wash. No baby, we don't have no time. We don't got no time. No, the dolly have to ride her own in shitty car.
Aww.
So guys,
You're gonna cheat. That's what I'm hearing.
no, yeah.
Oh.
So this is a process. You already know Kiki Stylist said my install has to be flat and give scalp. So we had to do like 100 braids.
Yeah.
Almost there though. Shit hurt. Okay guys, so look on what Kiki Stylist did. I know I look like a brand new person. We're still not finished, but we're already done. So tap into Kiki Stylist again. I look like a brand new person thanks to Akeelia. It yam. Yeah. What you said, Gina? It yam. Yes. Tap into Kiki Stylist. If you're in Hartford, Connecticut, Kiki Stylist. Book June bookings is out. So guys, we just made it to the Bronx. We have Jayla right here, Regina right here. We got the birthday, Jayla right there. Again, we got the birthday girl in front. Say hi, Madison. Hey girl. Oh. Yes, and then we got Boppy the driver who made us get here safely. It was kind of a rocky road, but we made it. So guys, we got to outside the place and a couple people was like, don't go in there. So now we're just taking pictures. Jayla the Barbie. Madison the birthday girl. We got Smurfs over here. We got our nice little phone holder.
When you're ready, say when you're ready.
Phone holder.
That's okay,
Alright, everybody, so it's Boppy next. Yeah, come. Come to know yours.
Yeah, do that.
So guys, we went to the first restaurant. It was Code Red in the Bronx. The people who was coming out, they said it was very boring and the food was nasty. No, they said it was a lot of old people and the food was nasty. So we shouldn't go in there, especially looking this good. Now we're at Rosa Parks in where? What? It sounds lit. So we're gonna say, I just hope the food is good because right now I'm starving.
Yeah,
I can eat 10 appetizers right now. Girl, double it. Let's double it. 35. So guys, we're still waiting. My belly rolling. I'm hungry too. I'm about to eat your food, and your food. Keep scrolling.
Like a fucking kangaroo.
Okay guys, so found a parking garage close to the restaurant that we're going to. This is now the third restaurant that we're at. We pray and hope this work. We met two beautiful, nice girls who made a reservation for us when they saw that we couldn't get into the last restaurant. They're like, oh, you guys should go to this restaurant. We'll make the reservation. Now we're here. We hope we get in. It's called Sugars. It's still in the Bronx. I'm starving. I'm so hungry I could eat a kid with dreads right now.
Yeah.
actually 11:41 p.m. We're back in Hartford. We're not in
We're not in New York no more, nigga.
Say I want some. Say I need some.